Hey everybody, you want to have a really hard discussion? Should we talk about politics a little bit? It's probably a really touchy subject. I think everybody pretty much knows how I vote or my belief system in their own mind, but really, I'm actually quite a neutral person. I believe you need both left and right in government to be properly centered. I don't believe that you can be liberal or Democrat for any length of time without needing to shift back to a conservative Republican type of government. I don't believe that you can be conservative or Republican for any length of time without shifting back to a liberal. Because if you're left in government too long, in any party, power gets to be too much of a belief system. They start thinking that they're invincible and making changes in government that is totally unrealistic because they don't have any fear of the people. They feel invincible as politicians until all of a sudden they're voted out and they go, oh geez, I guess the people didn't really want that. So that's why I believe it should shift back and forth. But where we're at right now in politics it's really quite sad to see. I've never seen it like this before ever in my life, where the left and the right side, even in people, is polarizing us so much. Where when I was younger, everybody voted how they wanted to vote. Nobody condemned each other for it or whatever. You wanted to vote liberal, vote liberal. If I wanted to vote conservative, vote conservative. We were all free to choose what we want and what we believed in. We would listen to a platform that the politician talked about. It's not like that anymore. It's like they have created such a gap between the left and right side that now a person can't swing back and forth. A person has to stick to a side because your morals as a person is so far polarized from your morals as that type that they have made it out to be. And there is no going back and forth anymore. And I don't believe that's what politics should be. I believe that we should be running more centered and focus on what the people want rather than on our selfish things or politicians' selfish desires for this country, what they think is best. Well, you know what, it doesn't matter what you think is best. You represent a riding. What matters is, are you representing what that riding thinks is best? You can think that, you know, whatever, we're gonna vote for A, B, or C, and you may want A, but the people in your riding want B. Well, regardless what you want, you're representing the people in your riding, so you select B because that's what the people in your riding want, regardless what you want. Politicians haven't been doing that. Politicians seem to think that they get to choose what they want. Well, I'm representing the people, so it's about what I want. Stop being so selfish and start thinking about the people that you're representing. And then maybe we might start steering this country in a better direction. Our country in the United States, it's collapsing all around us. The polarization of people and, you know, the anger that people are feeling and sharing towards one another is unbelievable. Unbelievable. We should all be free to do what we want when it, you know, as long as it's moral and upright. We should all be free to choose what we would like to do for fun or activities or our interests in life without being polarized or looked down upon by others. But right now, it's okay for everybody to look down on you because, oh, you like guns, or oh, you believe in abortion, or this or that. It shouldn't matter what people think or what people feel. And we shouldn't be condemning others for feeling different than us. If we do condemn others for feeling different than us, then we're part of the problem. We need to be acceptant of everybody's choices and what everybody wants, and vice versa. Just because the governments want to polarize us doesn't mean we have to allow ourselves to be polarized. I think we need to stick together as God intended and quit worrying about what the politicians want. We should be worrying about what's right or what's wrong. That's just my thoughts.